Good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
How are you?
I am fine, and you?
Fine, thank you. Today we shall read a 8th class prose. The name of the story is Mongoose. You know mongoose means what? Neula. Mongoose means neula. Okay, now let's move to the book. Yes, this is the page. SGP2. Read silently. Read means पढ़ silently नीरवरे paragraphs 3 and 4. अनुच्छेद 3 4 को नीरवरे पढ़ and answer the questions that follow. ଆଉ ପ୍ରଶ୍ନର ଉତ୍ତର ଦିଅ. Paragraph 3. Mongooses are famous. Famous means प्रसिद्ध. बेस जनाशुना. Mongooses are famous for being हेबा. Being means हेबा. Able सक्षम. To kill मारिवाकू. हत करिवाकू. Snakes means what? साप. Without व्यतीत. Getting hurt माने आघात क्षताक्त. Themselves. So ନିଜକୁ ସୁରକ୍ଷିତ ରଖି ସାପମାନଙ୍କୁ ମାରିବାରେ ସକ୍ଷମ ହେବା ପାଇଁ ନେଉଳମାନେ ବେଶ ପରିଚିତ ବା ପ୍ରସିଦ୍ଧ. Who are famous? Mongooses are famous. For what? For being able to kill snakes without getting hurt themselves. The snakes are, you know, cobra. What did you mean by cobra? What do you mean by cobra? Cobra means nagasapa. Venomous, vishadhara, poisonous. Cobra is a poisonous snake. But Panigodia is not a poisonous snake. Could you understand? If a cobra bites or stings, one will die. मरजिव जड़े. नागसाप चोबई देले, कोबरा चोबई देले जड़े मरजिव. But if a Panigolia, actually I don't know what is that in English, Panigolia sap, if it bites anybody, nothing will happen. किच्छि हबनी. So cobra is a green snake that is Nawanaga. Crate chitty sap. Green snake, crate, no, dhamana, that is not poisonous. Vishadhara nuha. So mongooses are very expert to kill cobras. नागसाप मारियारे सेमाने सिद्धहस्त. Could you understand? They will kill the cobras without being hurt. ନିଜକୁ ଆଘାତ ନ ପାଇ, ନିଜେ ଆଘାତ ନ ପାଇ ନାଗସାପ ଭଳିଆ ବିଷଧର ସାପମାନଙ୍କୁ ସେମାନେ ଆକ୍ରମଣ କରିବାରେ ସକ୍ଷମ. And they are famous for that. Could you understand? Their reactions are so fast. Their reactions, what do you mean by reaction? Pratikriya. Action reaction. Kriya pratikriya. Their reactions are so fast. एते शीघ्र जे they can dodge. फांकी मारी डेई पड़ेबे. They can dodge each time the snake strikes. प्रतिथर साप तांको चोट पकेइबाकू बाहला आडको एमाने फांकी मारिकी डेंगी पड़ेइथिए. Could you understand? Who will dodge? very fast. The mongoose will dodge very fast. The mongoose will could escape very fast from the attack of snakes. Strikes means आघात. ସାପର ଆଘାତରୁ ସେମାନେ ଭାରି ଚତୁରତାର ସହିତ ଫାଙ୍କି ଡିଆ ମାରି ପଳେଇଥିବେ. ଦେ କଣ୍ଟିନ୍ୟୁଲି ନିରବଚ୍ଛିନ୍ନ ଭାବରେ ଡଜ୍ ସ୍ନେକ୍ସ ଆଟାକ୍ ଆଣ୍ଟିଲ୍ ସେ ବାରମ୍ବାର ଆଟାକ୍ ମିନ୍ସ ଆକ୍ରମଣକୁ ଫାଙ୍କି ଡେଇଁ ଚାଲିଥିବ ଆଣ୍ଟିଲ୍ ସେ ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ. ଆଫ୍ଟର ଏ ହ୍ୱାଇଲ୍ କିଛି କ୍ଷଣ ପରେ ଦି ସ୍ନେକ୍ ଗେଟ୍ସ ଟାଏଡ୍. ଟାଏଡ୍ ମିନ୍ସ କ୍ଳାନ୍ତ. ସ୍ନେକ୍ ଆଘାତ ପ୍ରହାର କରି ଚାଲିବ. ଆଫ୍ଟର ଏ ହ୍ୱାଇଲ୍ କିଛି କ୍ଷଣ ପରେ ସିଏ ଟାଏଡ୍ ହେଇଯିବ, କ୍ଳାନ୍ତ ହେଇଯିବ. ହୁ will be tied? The snake will be tied by giving frequent strikes. ବାରମ୍ବାର ବିଷ ଯିବନି, ଟାଏଡ୍ ହେଇଯିବ. ହଁ ବିଷ ଯିବ, that is not matter, but will become tied. Then they quickly dive means ତାପରକୁ ଲମ୍ଫ ପ୍ରଦାନ କରିବେ, ଡେଇଁ ପଡ଼ିବେ in for the kill. ଯେତେବେଳେ when the snake will become tied and lose its strength, the clever mongoose will dive on them and kill the snake. ତାପରେ ଡେଇଁ ପଡ଼ିବ, ଲମ୍ଫ ମାରି ଡେଇଁ ପଡ଼ିବ, ତାକୁ ମାରିଦେବ. ମାରିଦେବ in the sense he will cut the snake into parts with its sharp teeth. ନେଉଳର ମୁନିଆ ଦାନ୍ତରେ ତାକୁ କାଟିଦେଇ ପଳେଇବ, ଖଣ୍ଡ ଖଣ୍ଡ କରିଦେବ. Would understand how the mongooses attack the snakes in this way? ଏଇଭଳିଆ mongooses attack the snakes. Paragraph 4. Look at your book. All the female mongooses, female means ମହିଳା ସ୍ତ୍ରୀ, male female ପୁରୁଷ ସ୍ତ୍ରୀ. ଯାନି ଯାତ୍ରାକୁ ଯାଇଥିବ ବୋଲି ବେଲେ ଦୁଇଟା ରାସ୍ତା ଖୋଲା ହେଇଥିବ, ଗୋଟେ ଲେଖା ହେଇଥିବ ପୁରୁଷ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଲେଖା ହେଇଥିବ ସ୍ତ୍ରୀ. ମେଲ୍ ଫିମେଲ୍. ମେଲ୍ ମିନ୍ସ ପୁରୁଷ, ଫିମେଲ୍ ମିନ୍ସ ସ୍ତ୍ରୀ ବା ମହିଳା. ସୋ ଅଲ୍ ଦି ଫିମେଲ୍ mongooses, ଫିମେଲ୍ mongooses ମାନେ କ'ଣ? ମାଇ ନେଉଳ. ମାଇ ସମସ୍ତ ମାଇ ନେଉଳ have their kitten means ନେଉଳ ଛୁଆକୁ kitten କହୁଛନ୍ତି. The kids are also called kitten. The kids have dogs are also called kitten. ଛୁଆ ଯାକୁ kitten କହୁଛନ୍ତି, kids ମଧ୍ୟ କହୁଛନ୍ତି. So all the female mongooses have their kitten, ତାଙ୍କର ଛୁଆ ରଖିଥାନ୍ତି at about the same time. ତାଙ୍କର ସମସ୍ତ ଛୁଆ ପ୍ରାୟ ଏକା ସମୟରେ ଲଭିଥାନ୍ତି. ସମସ୍ତ ମାଇ ନେଉଳ ସେମାନଙ୍କର ଛୁଆକୁ ଏକା ସମୟରେ ଲଭିଥାନ୍ତି. They are raised by the whole group. Who are raised by the whole? The kittens are raised by the whole group. Raised means ଲାଳିତ ପାଳିତ ହୋଇଥାନ୍ତି. ସମସ୍ତ ଦଳ ଦ୍ୱାରା ସେମାନେ ଲାଳିତ ପାଳିତ ହୋଇଥାନ୍ତି. କେଉଁମାନେ ଲାଳିତ ପାଳିତ? Who are raised? The kittens are. By whom? By the whole group. In a den. Den means ଗୁମ୍ଫା ଗହ୍ୱର. Made inside an old termite hill. Termite hill ବେଲେ ଉଇଙ୍କା. ଉଇଙ୍କା ଯାହା ଦେଖିନ, ଯେଉଁ ଉଇ ଏଡ଼େ ଏଡ଼େ କରିଥାଉଛି ପାହାଡ଼ ଭଳିଆ, ଉଇଙ୍କା ଟେରମାଇଟ୍ ହିଲ୍. ସୋ ଦେ ଆର୍, ତାଙ୍କୁ ଲାଳିତ ପାଳିତ କେଉଁଠାରେ କରାଯାଇଥାଏ? ଉଇଙ୍କା ଭିତରେ କିମ୍ବା ଗୁମ୍ଫା ଗହ୍ୱର ଭିତରେ ସେଇ କିଟେନ୍ ଗୁଡ଼ାକୁ ଲାଳିତ ପାଳିତ କରାଯାଇଥାଏ। ହୁ ଆର୍ ରେଇଜ୍ଡ? ଦ କିଟନ୍ସ ଆର୍ ରେଇଜ୍ଡ ହ୍ୱେର୍? ଇନସାଇଡ୍ ଦି ଡେନ୍ ଅର୍ ହ୍ୱାଟ୍? ଟେର୍ମାଇଟ୍ ହିଲ୍। ଟେର୍ମାଇଟ୍ ହିଲ୍ ଅର୍ ହାଲୋ ଲଗ୍? ଫମ୍ପା କାଠଗଣ୍ଡି। ହ୍ୱେର୍ ଆର୍ ଦ କିଟେନ୍ସ ରେଇଜ୍ଡ? ଦ କିଟେନ୍ସ ଆର୍ ରେଇଜ୍ଡ in dens, termite hills or hollow logs. By whom? By the whole group. Could you understand? Next, when most of the adults in the ବୟସ୍କ, when ଯେତେବେଳେ most of the adults ଅଧିକାଂଶ ବୟସ୍କ are out ବାହାରକୁ ପଳେଇଛନ୍ତି, looking for food ଖାଦ୍ୟ ଅନ୍ୱେଷଣରେ ବାହାରକୁ ଯାଇଥାନ୍ତି, one, what did I say? One or two males, ଜଣେ ଦି ଜଣ, males means ପୁରୁଷ, female means ସ୍ତ୍ରୀ. So males stay behind ରହିଥାନ୍ତି, ରୁହନ୍ତି, to stand guard ଜଗିବାକୁ, guard means ଜଗିବାକୁ, until the others return ଅନ୍ୟମାନେ ଆସିଲା ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ, ଫେରି ଆସିଲା ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ, for the night ରାତିରେ ଘରକୁ ଅନ୍ୟମାନେ ଫେରି ଆସିଲା ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ, one or two males will stay to guard the kittens inside the what? Den or termite hill or inside or what? Hollow logs. Right. Next, question answer. Look at the first question. The first question is like this. Okay. What is the first stanza? This is actually that is the third stanza. What is the third stanza about? Right? Or what is the first para about? Yes, the first para is about the skill that mongooses show in killing the snakes. The first para is about how the mongooses tactfully kills the snakes. Right? Next question is, what are mongooses famous for? Famous means prasiddha. I have told you. You remember. Mane pakao. Mongooses are famous for being able to kill snakes without getting hurt themselves. Question number 3. What is very special about their killing snakes? They kill snakes without getting hurt themselves. Question number 4. What do they do when the snake strikes? When the snake strikes, mongooses usually what? Dodges or evade. Mongooses usually dodge, evade or jumps away tactfully, this or escape the strike very quickly, very tactfully. Right? When the snakes strikes, they very tactfully jump away. ଡେଙ୍ଗିରି ପଳାନ୍ତି ବଡ଼ କୌଶଳରେ. tactfully means ବଡ଼ କୌଶଳରେ. Next question is question number 5, and it is, who is quicker, the snake in its strikes or the mongoose in dodging the strike? The mongoose in dodging the strike are quicker than the snakes snake in its strike. When do they kill the snake? Immediately or making it tied? They kill the snake by making it tied. ताको हालिया करी 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 मार देवे. Next, where do mongooses live? Mongooses live in a den in or inside an old termite hill or a hollow log. Next, you already know from para 1 and 2 that mongooses live together. एकत्र वास करती बोलिकी तुम जानिछ. What other things of this togetherness do you find in the para? पारा 4 मध्य तांकर एकत्रीकरण एकडी आउ को काम देखि पारछ. एकाडी करिवार आउ कोन काम सब देखि पारछ. When most of the adults are out looking for food, 1 or 2 males stay behind to stand guard or stay behind to guard the kittens until the other mongooses return from the night. Okay, now let's move to the question number 9. Yes, it is like this. Who looks after the kitten? The small ones. When most of them go out for food, the males or the females? The females look after the kittens, the small ones, when most of them go out for food. Can you guess why do the males stay behind? The males stay behind to stand guard over the female mongoose and the kittens. Or the males stay behind to guard the kittens inside the den or the termite hill or the what hollow log. Next, we will move to the next point. Yes, vocabulary. Shabda bhandar. Vocabulary means shabda bhandar. Some words are used both as a verbs. Verbs means what? Kriya. Nouns means विशेष्य. मन पकाओ. Remember, I have told you. मु तुमको कहिछि. Nouns means things. Remember, nouns means things. विशेष्य noun माने जिनिस. Verb means क्रिया कार्यकलाप. Eating, playing, these are crias. These are verbs. But table, chair, fan, these are nouns. And जिनिस जाक noun. कार्यकलाप verb. So verb is a action word. Action word. Noun is a naming word or things. So in some words are used both as a verbs and nouns in your lesson. Given below a list of words from the text which can be used both as verbs and nouns. First, see the text and tell which of them are used as verbs and which nouns. Next, read the sentences in pairs to see how the same word can be used as a verb and a noun. Yes, dive, जो नहीं बढ़िया. Kill, हत्या. Stay, रहिबा. Guard, जगिबा. Scratch, रामपुड़ीबा. Travel, यात्रा करिबा. Touch, स्पर्श करिबा.
First dive.
So, first word is dive. Name ba? The coast guard डाइव्ड इनटू दी सी कोस्ट गार्ड डाइव्ड इनटू बोले सागर समुद्र कूल थिबा जगुआली डाइव्ड इनटू दी सी समुद्र भीतर गुडेई पड़ला टू सेव ए ड्रोनिंग मैन बुड़ी जाउथुआ लोक को रक्षा करने डेई पड़ला सो ये डाइवटा कौन बोली यूज कराई भेर्ब और नाउन मन रखि गुड 1 मिनिट माइंड इट मन रखि जो पदरे प्राय जो पदर शेष प्राय ईडी लगी एवं आईएनजी लगी से पद गुड़ाक साधारणतः क्रिया गुड़ाक अधिकांश क्षेत्र में इन मोस्ट केसेस द वर्ड्स एंड विथ ईडी आईएनजी आर जनरली verbs ये देख ये डाइव्ड एंड्स विथ ईडी है ना नहीं सो इट इज ए verb he takes two to three dives it 2 dives दी 3टा डिया नेला एवरी डे टू सेव लाइफ ऑफ टूरिस्ट ऑन दी सी बीच समुद्र कूल पर्यटक मानकर जीवन रक्षा करने प्रतिदिन सी 2 थरु 3 थर डेइया को पड़ी थाए 2 थर को 3 थर डिया मारे सो इन दिस केस इट इज नाउन इन द फर्स्ट वर्ड in the first sentence dived is verb in the second sentence dives is noun next one is kill the tiger killed ends with ed so it is a verb the tiger killed ed शेष है so it is a verb the tiger killed means बाघ मारिदेला the deer हरिण को बाघ मारिदेला but it had to wait long for the kill this is noun killed is verb kill is noun ये विशेष्य से क्रिया ओके नेक्स्ट स्टे मीन्स रहिबा सिद्धार्थ stayed ed ends with ed so it is a verb सिद्धार्थ stayed long at home बहुत समय घर रहिला हिज एम्प्लॉयर तार बोस ता नियुक्तिकारी ता मालिक डिड नॉट लाइक सिद्धार्थ लॉन्ग स्टे एट होम हियर एट स्टे इज यूज्ड एज ए नाउन रहणी सिद्धार्थ घरे दीर्घ समय घरे सिद्धार्थर दीर्घ समय रहणीटा को ता मालिक पसंद कलानी सो दिस इज नाउन स्टे इज नाउन स्टेड इज verb नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज गार्ड ही गार्ड्स एट द गेट ऑफ द ऑफिस से ऑफिसर फाटक आगे जगुचे guards here it is a verb but the new guard it is a noun is jaguadi is irregular in his duty किंतु नुआ जगुआली तार कर्तव्य रे अनियमित नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज स्क्रैच माने रामपुड़ीबा बलराम राम स्क्रैचड वासुदेव ऑन हिज फेस एंड वासुदेव किड बलराम ऑन इज बैक ऑन इज बतक ये तत्ते राम पुड़ला तू ताको गोटे गोईठाटी मारलु स्क्रैचड सो स्मिता स्क्रैचड ऑल आवर बुक्स सब जगह रामपुर देला सो एंड्स विथ इड सो इट इज ए वर्ब हेर मदर डिड नॉट लाइक दी स्क्रैचेस ता माँ रामपुड़ा चिन्ह गुड़ा को पसंद कलानी स्क्रैचेस और फंडिया खाबरा से जाए तो रफा दपा नहीं राफू ओके नेक्स्ट टच मीन्स व्हाट स्पर्श रश्मि टच्ड दी touch me not a plant. Touched ends with ed. Touched means छुईला. रश्मि भाई बहु गछ को छुई देला. तुम देखिच ना टच मी नॉट प्लांट देखि ना. टच मी नॉट प्लांट जाक थिब कंटालिया छोट छोट पत्र तले थी तुम जाकि छुई देले मुदा हो सागे सागे. दैट इज कॉल्ड टच मी नॉट प्लांट. ताको आम ओडिया रे आम बुझिया कहूँ भाई बहु गछ. So touched means verb. Even her soft touch made the plant close all her leaves. तार साधारण स्पर्शटा गछटा मुदी साधारण स्पर्श पाई गछ मुदी हो जाए. ओके and that is the end of today's lesson. We will have other lessons in our next class. Till then, bye.